Hi, it's Easy Rider Greg. Look at all this snow. If I hadn't shoveled this yesterday, there'd be even more here. But my truck, you can see that. Or you can't see it for the snow. Some of the drifts was up to my butt this morning. I had to come out and get up on the roof, shovel the snow out around the... Here it's up to my butt right here, getting out onto the road. Poor Kimber. There. Come on, Kimber girl. Yeah. Hey, you got the leash all tangled up on you. There you go, baby. Yeah, I had to get up on the roof, get my extension ladder out, get up on the roof and shovel that snow out from around my chimney of my furnace that had it buried. And these newer furnaces, that's how they get their oxygen, through a side pipe in the chimney, not just the exhaust. They say it's dangerous to have them draw the oxygen out of the air in the house, but if you got an old one, they don't make you change it. It can't be that dangerous. But I think they should vent them out through the wall, especially when you order these mobile homes with the extra reinforced roof for the snow, so they know that you're living where you get a lot of snow. The original chimney was only 8 inches high to the breather part. It was 12 inches to the exhaust part. Oh, look at all the snow on the roof. Yeah. It was up to my butt up on the roof too when I was going through there. Anyway, yeah, it was only 8 inches to the breather part, 12 inches to the exhaust. So I had them extend the pipe up. And the breather got extended another 8 inches, so it was 16 inches, and the top of the pipe was now 24 inches. Well, the whole damn thing was buried. So there was over 2 feet of snow on the roof. And one of the contractor plows broke and got stuck yesterday. Come on, hey. So I don't, they haven't been down this street in a while, but so they haven't. So Prescott hasn't cleared out Pine Lakes Drive or Hereford yet. Come on. That's not so bad. That's not so bad, Kimber. And now it's getting a little deep for you. Yeah. You're going over there by the building. I don't think so. Oh, yeah. It's up over my knees here. And it's, yeah, my feet are all the way down in it. It's just right there. So it's that deep. I'm going to turn around, Kimber. I'm not going to bulldoze my way through there. It's too cold on my legs. It's also too hard on them. That's too hard. Let's get this snow off my pants as much as I can. Builds up underneath those pant legs, and they don't come out easily. Okay. Whew. Come on, Kimber. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you wouldn't know it, but that's a Honda Civic right there. And that is my Silverado. Come on, hey, we're going back home. Come on. Good. Hi. Oh yeah, it's soft. Oh shoot. Shoot. Thank you. Damn. Thank you. Almost. Thank you.
You're welcome. I got a new little puppy. He can't even get out.
Yeah, well, it's over her head in some places too.
It's really bad. We got a four-wheel drive and we can't get out because we can't get back up.
They haven't plowed Hereford either.
I know.
And I heard the county just finished doing Iron Springs, so maybe the Prescott will send the trucks out for Hereford.
Don't twist around, bub. Don't twist around. You're good. You okay?
Oh yeah.
All in one piece?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It was a slow fall and it was soft. I just had a hard time when I pushed to lift up. It kept going down farther. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
Supposed to be water resistant.
Yeah, but when you use the mic adapters, they're not, because then you have to take the door off where the ports are. Thank you again.